Well, 1, 2, 3, let's go. My brain stopped. Good morning, folks. Got an itch then, didn't I? Good morning, folks. Welcome back to Budgie's Bus. Those that don't know me, I'm John.
I'm Carol.
Before we start anything, we'd just like to apologise that we've not put any videos out for the last, 4 months nearly?
Almost, yeah.
Almost 4 months. Most of you are aware that, most of our older subscribers will know that I've had an ankle replacement. They tell you when you go in to see them that, it's going to be 6 to 8 weeks. And it's turned out now they're saying it could be 6 to 8 months before I can walk without the crutches or the boot on. So that means I can't drive. So that's why we've not put any videos out. Like I say, I do apologise, but there's nothing we can really do about that. We were thinking about going out on the buses and doing a few local shots, but unfortunately we only get...
It's not viable. It's only 3 a day.
Only 3 buses a day. First one's 8 o'clock in the morning and the last one back into the village is at 4 o'clock at night. So by the time we get anywhere we're really stuffed. The Cambrian coast train from Macunsliff to Pwllheli, that's been took off at the moment because they're building the viaduct, rebuilding the viaduct between Morphamowder station and Barmouth. So we're basically totally cut off in the village at the moment, aren't we?
Yeah.
And you can imagine, cabin fever is slowly but surely taking over.
It's already here, dear.
So yeah, that's where we are at the moment. Some of you who follow us on Facebook or Instagram will know that we were meant to be getting what they call a duck clutch fitted. That was last month.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we were planning to get off to the Overlander in Motorhome and Camper Show in Stratford upon Avon, but unfortunately the chap that fits it came out, spent the whole day installing it, and then had to remove it because it's the latest model they make of it is meant to go inside the vehicle instead of under the bonnet. So he fitted it, but the cable for some reason on the newer model is shorter than what it was on the last model, so it just weren't pulling the clutch down far enough. But for those that don't know what a Dutch clutch is, let me explain. It's basically a trigger that's electronic trigger that's installed on the gear stick. So when you pull the trigger in, the clutch goes down, you change gear, and as you let it out the clutch raises back up and bites. That's basically what it is. But lucky enough he has been able to get an older model from the manufacturers, and the last email I had off him, he said he'd try and get over towards the end of this month to install it. But the trouble is he's in Burton-on-Trent, which is in Derbyshire, and we're on the west coast of Wales, so it's about 3 hours each way for him to travel. He then spends a day to install it, have to stop the night, then travel back. So it's getting his schedule to give him 2 days basically to get out here. So that's where we are at the moment, isn't it?
Yeah.
So as you can imagine, if he gets it fitted, it will be freedom! Okay. I can try. Well, that's where we are. I'd like to thank all our new subscribers as well as our old ones for sticking with us. We're surprised really, haven't we?
Yeah.
Considering it's been nearly 4 months since we last uploaded a video, we're still getting the views.
Yeah.
And you know, we're really appreciative of that. We're even getting new subscribers. So that your new subscribers, we will try to be more regular with our videos.
And welcome.
Eh?
Welcome to the new subscribers.
I said that at the beginning.
I don't care, I'm saying it again now. I've got to have my 2 penny worth.
I'm flinching, I'm expecting the wallop then.
I've got to get my 2 penny worth in.
That is it. So that's where we are. We've really missed meeting up with everybody. I've never been so sober. I blame Dave Watts for that. You turned me into an alcoholic, Mr. Watts.
Got to blame him for something.
So yeah, we've really missed everybody, and we are really looking forward to getting out and seeing you.
Yeah. I've missed you.
Yeah, it seems strange. It's like lockdown deja vu, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, we've not been able to get out anywhere, and of course I can't walk far anyway without discomfort. So yeah, bear with us. If we get the duck clutch fitted, it's worth it in the long run, isn't it? If I can get out this side of Christmas, it's worth the money. I
can't wait, to be quite honest, John.
You know, so that's where we are at the moment. So stick with us. We will, once we can get out, chase up Gwynedd Council, make sure they're putting these so-called European style airs here in Gwynedd. The last update we had, they said, oh, we got 3 out of the 6 on the go, and they hadn't even started it, and that was in mid-June. So you can imagine, considering they're meant to have been started and finished, all 6, by mid-spring this year.
Yeah.
You know, Gwynedd Council is really great at getting the funding, but very slow in spending it. But that's digressing, isn't it?
It is,
Yeah.
it is. Rather.
So let's take care. For now, I'd just like to give a shout out to Dudes in Drones. Nip over to their channel. Last time we seen them, they made us this Budgie's Bus on Tour. It's really appreciative. It's a lovely bit of oak. Thanks a lot. Let's go get some hooks on it and get it hanging. Thanks a lot. So that's it really for now. This is what, 4th attempt to making this video.
Yeah.
It's like starting all over again. The stupid, what are they? DJI Pocket 2s are a waste of bloody time.
So as far as I'm concerned, they're just white long things.
Yeah. Here today, it's a gorgeous day, and it is warm in the camper, but both of them, drawing, filming, just overheated here in the motorhome. So we've got to revert back to an older camera. So if the video quality isn't up to scratch, please accept our apologies. So no more ado, until we see you again, take care, stay safe, most of all, happy travelling, folks. So it's a goodbye from your handsome host.
And a goodbye from it.
It doesn't matter. You come here to see me, don't you? Not her. I'm the handsome one. And now I've got witnesses, abused husbands. So when the divorce comes, I've got every single viewer as a witness. I win. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye.